So hey guys, welcome to our interactive session of technical communication for specially designed for artificial intelligence and data science students of RGPV. So here we are covering the unit 1. Okay, so subscribe this channel for more updates and like this video and share this session with your friends. Okay, here are the points which we have to cover from the syllabus. Okay, first point. What is technical communication? क्या होता है technical communication? When you are writing about something technical, right? Just like you have to write a report, you have to make a research paper, you have to send email, right? So something related to technical, okay? Then communication which is related to technical, then it is known as the technical communication. So it involves presenting the data, instructions, and analysis in a clear and concise manner. Okay, and it is not limited to engineers or scientists. It spans across industries such as IT, healthcare, business, and education, where clarity and accuracy are essential. So please mark it as an important. Okay, mark it as an important part. And second is understanding the process of communication. Okay, in the process of communication, there is a sender. Okay, एक सेंडर होता है और एक रिसीवर होता है. ओके, एक सेंडर होता है और एक रिसीवर होता है. सेंडर जो मैसेज भेजता है उसके बीच में जो प्रोसेस होती है वो होती है इनकोडिंग की. ओके, एक सेंडर है, एक चैनल है और एक रिसीवर है. तो जब सेंडर से मैसेज जाता है चैनल पे तो वो होता है इनकोडिंग की प्रोसेस में. ओके, देन चैनल पे जब मैसेज आता है वो जाता है रिसीवर के पास. रिसीवर के पास हो जाता है डिकोडेड फॉर्म में. ओके, जो प्रोसेस फॉलो होती है वो होती है डिकोडिंग की प्रोसेस. तो हमारे पास कितने कंपोनेंट रहते हैं? एक सेंडर रहता है, एक मैसेज रहता है, एक चैनल रहता है, एक रिसीवर और फीडबैक. जब मैसेज रिसीवर के पास पहुंचता है तब उस पे नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है या पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है वो आपके फीडबैक में पता चलता है. ओके, आपने जस्ट लाइक सेंड किया हेलो तो वो रिसीवर के पास जाएगा. एंड रिसीवर इसको नेगेटिवली लेता है या पॉजिटिवली वो रिसीवर पे डिपेंड करता है. ओके, सो द फीडबैक कम्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ नेगेटिव और अ पॉजिटिव वे. ठीक है, तो ये साइकिल कंप्लीटली हमारी 5 कंपोनेंट्स के थ्रू चलती है. And it includes verbal and non-verbal causes. Okay, so the next point is relevance and importance of communication in a globalized world. ग्लोबलाइज्ड वर्ल्ड जस्ट लाइक आपने देखा होगा आजकल आईटी सेक्टर्स में जो प्रोजेक्ट्स आते हैं वो आते हैं यूएसए, यूके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, राइट. हमारे क्लाइंट्स जो रहते हैं वो रहते हैं आउट ऑफ इंडिया. तो हमें कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा रखना पड़ता है. जो कंपनीज रहती है वो प्रोजेक्ट्स तो लेती हैं लेकिन प्रोजेक्ट्स कैसे लेती है वो एक्सपर्ट्स हायर करती हैं जिनकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी होती हैं. जस्ट लाइक you know about the project manager, the business development executives, they grab the deals from the clients. Okay, because they have good communication skills uh, which is applicable across the globalized world. Okay, the developer team has to perform the you know about the project task and all, but the managing team have to communicate regularly with the clients. Okay, so this is the importance of communication in a globalized world. So the next point is forms of communication. There are four forms of communication: verbal, non-verbal, written communication, and visual communication. So in this slide, you can read about the four types of communication and mark it as an important part. The role of unity in communication. Okay, so unity in communication means presenting idea in a consistent, coherent, and organized manner. If just like if you are delivering a session about the generative AI, then you have to mention points related to generative AI. Okay, आपको आपकी ऑडियंस को डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है कुछ और अलग टॉपिक के पॉइंट्स ऐड करके यूनिटी रखनी है यूनिटी मीन्स if you are talking about the generative AI then you have to add the points about the generative AI and its type and its references. Okay, don't go to others field, don't add generative AI in other field. Okay, and don't add a controversy about other topics in your presentation. Okay, the role of brevity in communication. आपने देखा होगा आपके टीचर्स आपको मेंशन करते हैं कि आप if you are making a presentation then you have to add the bullet points, short paragraphs and clarified messages in your presentation, right? तो brevity क्या होता है? Brevity is an art of expressing information concisely without losing its essence, right? If you are delivering a session of generative AI, okay, for beginners, then avoid difficult words that they are not familiar with. Okay, these are the jargons. Jargons are the difficult word with simplest meaning. Then use the simplest word in your presentation to make the people understand what you're talking about. Okay, sorry, I missed that slide about the clarity. Clarity means you have to be clear about what you're talking about. Okay, if you're talking about, wait a second. If you're talking about about the generative AI, then you have to be clear what you're talking about. Okay, this will leads to clarity. So combining unity, brevity, and clarity. This is an important point. Please mark it as an important in your notebook. So the principle of unity, brevity, and clarity works together to enhance the overall effectiveness of communication. Okay, your session should contain the unity, brevity, and clarity. Okay, to make it understand to the audience. So here is the conclusion of today's session. You can read it and please you can add this conclusion in your answer sheet. Okay, this will help you to make your answer lengthy for the written exam and it will help you to speak more about that topic in Viva exams. Okay, so please read it carefully and if you have any doubt, please write it down in the comments. I will answer it. And for more sessions, please like this video and share it with your old friends. And I will post the videos for the AI and data science branch of RGPV. Okay, so thank you so much for attending this session